Hi guys, I'm literally so excited for this video, you don't even know. Oh! The Proud Family. What? Hi guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this video. I actually can't believe I'm filming it right now, but I am. I obviously could tell you, I am starting a magnetic lash business. I'm calling it La Marissa, which is my actual name, my first name. So today I'm going to show you the 3 lashes that I am selling. I started with 3 because I thought, you know, a little variety, a little taster, you know, to see how it goes. But I really love each of the lashes that I did pick. They're really nice. I love them. The first one, and the one I'm going to wear today, is called Royal, and it looks like this. It's a flare type lash, so the inner corner has the smallest strands and the outer corner has the longest strands. I typically wear this with a simple makeup routine. Like honestly, I can wear these lashes like literally with no makeup. I just put the eyeliner on and then click and I'm good. I just feel boss all day, and I'm not gonna even lie to you, I just feel like it. I feel like no one can talk to me. The second one I have is called Maroon, and this is what it looks like. There are gaps in between the lashes, the lash strands, which means that if you wear this with eye makeup, like your makeup can actually be seen. It just highlights it a bit more and just like adds definition. It's really cute. Some of them flare up, so it looks more like a mink lash, even though these are faux lashes. They are cruelty free. Could you even get any better? Like, nice lashes and they're cruelty free. So these are synthetic fibers, like faux silk. I didn't want silk lashes either. The last launch style that we have, and I think this is going to be a favorite because I've already talked to some of my friends and they already love this. It's the most natural looking out of the 3. It's called Ivory, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's a round lash, so the shorter strands are at each end, and then in the inner middle part of the lash, that's where the longer strands are. So yeah, this is super for all eyes, and it's the most versatile, the most natural looking, but it's really cute. Today I'll be wearing Royal because I want to feel boss. I'm gonna do a simple makeup, like an everyday makeup routine with this, and just see the magic. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it, how to take it off. I really don't want to take it off, so I think I'm going to show how to remove the eyeliner on my hand. But yeah, let's get this video started. Honestly, the spring is coming and I'm so here for it, but at the same time, like, we can't leave our houses, so what's the point, you know? But it'll be nice to like, it's been nice the past week waking up to the sun blaring in my eye. I'm just gonna use my Pro concealer in 2 different shades. I'm just gonna use my Sleek concealer kit to like blend this in with my finger. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I just love blending concealer with my fingers. I feel like they just melt into the skin better, and that's probably because of the heat of the finger. I'm just gonna go up here as well. I'm just gonna use any excess on my chin to highlight it a little bit, and I just use my damp sponge again and just push that in at the end. Next, I'm just going to add some powder. I'm just gonna go here as well. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll come back and do my eyeshadow, my lashes, and my lip. I love me. Okay, with my fluffiest brush, I'm going into the Berries by Juvia's palette. I think I'm gonna wear this kind of color. Now is the time for magic. This is my eyeliner, and that's what I'm gonna put first. This has iron oxide in it, which is what makes it magnetic. So you're just gonna pull it out. It's a brush type application, super easy. They're sisters, they're not twins, but that's okay. I need to wait for it to completely dry, so I'm just gonna put some blush and some lip gloss on, and then we'll do the lashes. Some on my nose, so you probably won't see it on camera, but I'm just gonna add some pink to the apples of my cheeks, just extending upwards. I'm really living my brat style fantasy. To check if the eyeliner is dry, you just need to tap on it, and if it's still tacky, allow it to dry some more. 3 minutes are up. I'm going to put my lashes on. To take the lashes off the tray, I don't want to pull it and risk the strands coming up, which I've done with other products. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the plastic tray out, fold the plastic tray, and with my thumb and my finger, pull it off. And this is the lash. So I'm just going to measure the lash against my eye to make sure that I get the right fit. So it does come over my eye, so I'm just going to cut it in between the magnets. So I'm going to cut the end off. Just taking one of the lash bits off. Don't be afraid to cut your lashes to suit your eye. You don't want irritation. You need to cut the inner corner of the lash and the outer to fit your eye shape. Just be aware of the magnets and just cut. I flex the band just a little bit. These lashes already come in the shape that they're supposed to come compared to strip lashes, so it's just easier to put on as well. So first I put the middle on, and it's already sticking. It's already snapping on. So I go down, and then I press, and they're on. You might want to press your lashes together, but honestly, you don't even need to. I probably raise it a little bit. And with these, you don't need to wear mascara, which is like just an extra bonus. That is so cute. Tell me to my face I don't look cute. Just yes. It's also just great hold. Look. And on top of everything, you can take these off and put them back on as many times as you want. So you'll be at an event dancing and you're sweating at a wedding or whatever, and it does not matter because the eyeliner is waterproof, and you can put them back on after. As long as you wait for it to dry and then put your lashes on, you'll have no problems. There's no need to carry glue in your purse all day every day. So I'm just going to demonstrate that you can off it pops. When I tell you that I love these lashes so much, I truly mean it. They're so easy to put on. They don't add weight to your lashes that cause them to fall out. It's just so you can put them on and off as many times as you want, as long as the liner stays on your eye. It's great. Like, what are you waiting for? The website launches tomorrow, so definitely go buy you some Lamarissa lashes. I literally cannot wait for you guys to like see it and review it and tell me what you think. I just feel so bossy. Like, ugh. I'm gonna show you how to take the liner off, because when I tell you that it's waterproof, girl. So I use micellar water to take it off, but you can use coconut oil, which will make it come off faster. Any kind of oil-based cleanser, the liner will come right off. So I'm just using my micellar water. I'm just going to show you on my arm. Ooh. I'm I'm sorry, but I still can't get over it. How do you get normal eyeliner off with? Just try to take them off with your normal everyday makeup removal skincare routine. I'm just gonna rub a dub. Just gently rub until it goes away. And it's gone. It's quite messy. So yeah, that's how you take the eyeliner off. I'm so excited for you guys to try this out. I'm not even gonna lie. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Subscribe down below, follow our Instagram page. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, just drop it below one of our posts on Instagram at LaMarisaCo, COLAMARISACO. So excited for you guys to try. The website will be linked right below. As soon as it's launched, it'll be there. And yeah, just follow our Instagram for all the updates. Oh, the updates! Oh, the updates! I'm so lit right now. I can't believe this is happening. This is happening. If you didn't know, I'm weird. Okay, bye guys.